After waiting for the installation to reach the fourth step, there where it says installing updates, if you wait for the computer to restart on that point, where it makes that countdown, once the computer restarts, if you switch off the computer and it restarts, then it will do that final installation on any computer where you plug it in. Which means if you're having problems where that USB is maybe not connecting to your computer, or you don't even have a USB port working or a CD-ROM working, and you have got no way to actually load Windows onto the hard drive via a specific computer, then you can do this first 4 steps until it gets to installing updates on, let's say, PC A, and then you just unplug it after you switch off the power supply when it reaches that countdown and restart, which I will show in the end. Once that happens, you can just plug it into any other computer, and so once you have plugged it into that computer, it will do the final finishing up installation, and it will work on that computer. So which means if you install it on computer A, you can move it to computer B, and it will make the 5th and final step on computer B, and it will be set up for computer B. Whereas if you normally install the whole Windows fully on computer A and you move it to computer B, there's going to be some glitches and the software won't work 100%. So that's a cool trick that works for Windows 10 and Windows 7, and yeah, saves a lot of hassle. Here you can see it's reaching step 4, where it's installing the updates. Once this finishes and the computer restarts, that's when you have to switch off the computer. Then you unplug it from computer's A internal plug, and you plug it into computer B internally as well, the hard drive. And then on computer B it will do that 5th final step where it says finishing up, and that all happens automatically. You just plug it in without any other hard drives, start it up, and it will finish the last installation.